It's running.
It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
Hey. We'll start the day off by saying it is beautiful out. It's a good day to have to be in the shop. Today, the Kawasaki is going to get running. We got a little bit of work here to do. We got to pull this guy off, clean all the gasket stuff on it, put a new gasket on it, put it in there. We're going to have to get the carburetor cleaning, put it over there in the cleaner. We're going to go through, check the fluids, do something on the oil. We got to do some electrical work to it. And then we got to rehook up a new gas line, new fuel filter. And we should be able to start it and get her off these stands and take her for a ride. But after that, then we're going to work on the body for it and getting the body all put back together. So it's time to get that carburetor clean. We're going to use the old gunk parts cleaner. I'm going to give it a day in court, see how she does. I've never actually used this stuff. I am going to put it in ultrasonic and use it. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, on the Kawasaki, here we are. We have got all the gasket cleaned up. Looking good. And that is the majority of where it was leaking oil pretty bad. So this should tidy that up. We have got the carburetor done over here. So we'll go check that out here in a second. Well, this is about ready to go back together. Carburetor out of the fresh clean. Pretty much looks brand new. Yeah. Everything looks good. We'll get that all reassembled. Get her back on there. And well, we got to set the float height because it was leaking some gas. So we'll fix that up. Get that done. Well, we got her all back together. We got the new shifter on, which is, it just feels weird already, but should do the job. Full start, new gaskets on everything. Got to reassemble the carb, get that on there, get an air cleaner on it, and then it's time to do the wiring. Pour a little gas in it, make sure nothing leaks. We'll be good to go. How you doing over here, brother?
We'll find out once I get this thing on the rim.
Yeah, I was gonna say you look like you got quite the job going on over here.
Oh, this is the easy part.
So we didn't actually get any video of it. I snapped one picture of it last night, but this came out of a field. A buddy of ours found it, and sadly we traded Mopey for it. Well, actually, he traded Mopey for it. I would have never, but
He said I wouldn't.
this is a Yamaha
25 DX.
DX. We had it running last night. Got it to at least, make spark and make a poo-poo. But today, hopefully, after the tires are on it, it'll be getting ridden. And should be a good time.
Want to hammer them tire bars?
Yeah, as soon as I'm done recording. So yeah, a little update. We've got carburetor and an air filter for now. Eventually I want to retune the carb and actually put the air box back in it. So that way we can actually sink this thing a little bit into the mud and water. But he's got something going on. Anyway, for now, this will do for testing. Now we got to get in here and do some work on the electrical. And then we should be ready to start it. We'll see what happens. Well, it got her back on some...
It's got 5 inches of ground clearance.
5 inches of ground clearance with the little ones. That thing is going to be a drift monster.
Swinger ring dinger.
I know that one was with the little tires.
Yeah, just wait till I get that little one on the front.
It really don't look too bad though with them.
No, it don't. Look better when she's had a bath and get that green funky stuff off.
Yeah, we'll have to roll it out and pressure wash it.
Yeah.
But yeah, coming together.
You know what? Pretty much I got it for free because I didn't pay nothing for Mopey.
Yeah, it came from the junkyard too.
Yeah.
So yeah, this thing's gonna be pretty sweet. Well, yeah, I think we got her good to go here. He's still farting around with the old Yami. We had her running. She blew the baffle out of it.
Now the battery's dead again.
No, battery's dead again. But as for Kawasaki, I had a 2-go at the carburetor. I had to take the carburetor back off and reset the float. But now, it should just, like it's supposed to, right there. She's a beast. So now I'm gonna get the body and the seat and everything back on it. Hook up a headlight. And she should be good to rock and roll for a little bit while I work on the front portion of the body, because I got to do some work there and some welding. But we're going to have her off the stand here in a minute, and we're going to take her for a rip. It's a running. Will it idle? Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
There it is. Nice. Nicely done.
Nicely.
All right, do it again. There we go.
No. Maybe I gotta hook that switch up or something. One of these wires has to be hooked up to the headlight.
Possibly. See if the kill switch works? All
So
right.
then those 4 wires just go.
Question. Okay, so we got a Kawasaki all done up. Headlight on her, got brakes all set. She should be ready to run. He's got that guy ready to run, so we're going for a test ride, right? All right. Test riding it up. Weird sound. What happened?
I think she's plugged up. Towed out.
You get towed, man. Anyway, it did run, and it did go through all the gears. And I had a little farting out with the new Kawasaki too. But anyway, I figured this would probably be a good spot to wrap up the video for the evening. So if you're digging these builds and these rebuilds and pulling stuff out of fields and riding them the next day, get down there, throw us a comment, let us know. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up never hurt.
Why?
Nope.
What happened?
Thing's scary.
What? For you?
Guys ain't been on nothing this fast yet.
Hillbilly hunt. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell